founder and director of New Limits. And in this video, I just want to give you a sneak peek. This is going to be a very quick video where I basically explain our system that we use to scale auto shops in Australia, New Zealand, and the US. And we're onboarding more auto shops every single month, and our system has been evolving and developing and consistently improving. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight on in. Now, what our system does is it basically generates leads for auto repair shops with a unique mechanism around it that gives us control around volume and type of leads. So we package it up as the 90-day auto shop growth accelerator using our proprietary Mechanic Smart Campaign system. Now you get three things: certainty, guaranteed leads or your money back; transparency, listen to all the inbound calls and you can see all the inbound emails that come through, and you can write down what happened to them. Did you close them? How much cash was collected, etc. The third thing, which I really love, is the control over your lead types. You can either focus on specific repair types like brake leads, auto AC, transmission, suspension, oil change, performance tuning, radiators. Like if there's any type of repairs that you love to do because they're it's efficient, good margins, we can focus on them. Or we can also focus on vehicle brands, like people who own European cars or American or Japanese cars. Maybe you just want to flood your auto repair shop with 4x4s, right? So we can kind of specialize with vehicle makes, vehicle types, or repair types. We've got 5 years in the auto repair lead generation industry. This is myself on the left there. There's a video of us on YouTube where Mark, the owner of APV AutoWorks, talked about how we scaled his auto shop. We actually took him from around 30 to 35K a month up to 100K a month with only one strategy, using our strategy. He did not touch any other strategies while we did this. We've battle tested this with 100 plus auto shops at this stage, and we have a ton of reviews online. You can look us up. Let's see here. So this is the team. We're obviously started in Australia, but now we're international, and we have a big focus on scaling into Australia and US at the moment. Also connected with industry leaders. Sabri Subi is a investor on Shark Tank and a personal mentor of mine. And how our system works is it's a 3-step process. We're going to generate leads for you on autopilot using ads and landing pages that are already battle tested. There's no experimentation. Then you need to turn 10 to 30% of those leads into customers. And we're looking for campaigns that are doing 600% returns or more. Obviously, we're going to get you the leads, but you need to do the work to close the leads. And we have some video trainings that you can go through to understand best practices in terms of dealing with those leads. And then we're looking for good returns and then increasing the amount of advertising. So what's going to happen is you're going to see ads on Google, like you can see on the left-hand side here. These are examples of ads that appear based on searches. If someone's looking for an Audi specialist, they see an Audi-related ad, which takes people to your Audi page. If they're looking for tires or if they're looking for transmission, they're going to be taken to a relevant landing page. This is what the landing page looks like on mobile. All of the leads will go into a spreadsheet like this, so you can see when the person called you, how long the call was for, and what they searched for. Your job is in the blue columns just to write down comments. Hey, how did this lead go? Did I close them? How much cash did you collect? Right? That's how the tracking works. And then we want to look for the campaigns. How much did we make from Volkswagen, Audi? How much did we make from brakes or transmission? That's the general system. And we now actually have call recording as well, so you can listen to your calls and see how your staff are performing. Here's a list of the different leads you can kind of choose from. You can pause the video and check out all the different type of leads. Again, this gives you a lot of control, and I don't see any other agencies out there with this level of specificity. Or you can focus on bringing in more customers based on vehicle types. And we build high converting landing pages for customers. And if you'd like to see them, just reply back to this email. We can send you some live examples. I don't really want to bring these up on screen at the moment. It'll kind of just distract us from the slideshow, but these are beautiful landing pages. We've got a professional designer in-house. So if you got a lot of value out of this video, feel free to reply back or book a call with somebody in my team. And what we'll do is we're going to actually show you a sneak peek inside live client accounts right now and show you the results that they're getting, the amount of leads they're getting, the amount of sales they're getting, the cash that they're collecting on the back end. And if you are serious about signing up with us, we will even put you in touch with some of our clients, because we've got clients in Australia and the US that are willing to be a reference and talk about their experience working with us to you. So I wish you all the best, auto repair shop owner. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. Cheers.